And you're gonna...
What is it?
It's a Kringle 3000.
I think if you breathe in as much as you can or something, it's going to make you laugh.
Without it, the
Ready?
plane couldn't get more than a few feet off the ground.
And then do that whenever you can.
Well, you got a thermal cup up. You want to give me a hand with it?
That's her natural laugh.
As much
I don't think so.
Accepted by his family and friends. There were drawbacks to being a human in a...
Okay, wait, try to make. And you guys can hear, are you recording this? Okay. This is gonna go on Facebook and they're gonna be like, what the heck are they? So what do I do? Just put it down? Like, do it on like either side of the chest. And then like that? Yeah, like, but like, hold your, and it's gonna make you laugh.
I'm gonna be a little bit short on today's quota.
You go.
Who's next?
I'm already laughing as it is. It's like a really deep laugh.
Yeah, I'm like that old lady's laugh. Wait, come here. Carl's is like an evil man laugh. That was funny.
Cotton-headed ninny muggins.
Sit down. Alright, girls. Ready?
We all just have
Deep breath
different
in.
talents, that's all. Seems like everyone else has the same talent except for me. You're laughing.
I think that's your natural laugh. I think it just makes you laugh so hard if nothing comes out.
And you're the only band
Where the heck did you read about this? Where? The kids at the high school were doing it. Whenever I went to this. Alright, to me. Oh. Your turn. Alright, let's. Oh, Florica's laugh is gonna be good. Oh, baby. Oh, hey. Okay. Ready? Deep breath in. Stop laughing! Stop laughing! Alright. She's already got it. Deep breath. Oh my gosh. You need to push down on her. You crack me up, girl. Naomi's laughing and it's shaking the camera. Stop. Deep breath. Here.
He hasn't figured out he's a human right
I think we're good.
Yeah, I don't think you have to do that.
Yours was definitely effective. Okay, and you worried? Deep down.
Lay it